Good morning students. As discussed in pre-learning video, today we are going to start a new chapter, Scratch Programming Introduction. And under this topic we are going to discuss on what is programming, why we need programming language and Scratch components overview. So to make you understand what is programming, I have given you the activity to identify the steps for celebrating birthday party. Hope you all had the steps with you. Now I come to you whenever needed. So first of all, the program is a set of instructions to do a specific task. If you want to do some task in computer, you have to feed the task as a set of instructions. Okay. So to write such instructions, you should have a good capability of problem solving. How you can solve a problem with the help of deducing the problem as a set of steps. So you should be very good in stepwise thinking. So now answer my question. How will you celebrate? How will you plan for a birthday party celebration in your home? The steps may be you will call your friends, whoever you want to present in during your birthday celebration, and you will purchase things relevant to your birthday party, and on the day you will arrange all such things and you will wait for your friends to celebrate your birthday party. So these are all the steps to celebrate a birthday party. So in the same way, think of using computer, you can solve any real-time problem, and for that the simple thing is you should write a set of instructions to do a specific task, that is called as program. Now the question is, why we need such programming language? Simple. We need a language to communicate our thoughts to the end user. Okay. Similarly, we need a programming language to communicate with the computer. To speak to computer, definitely we need a language. That language is called as programming language. There are many programming language available in computer world. Now we are going to learn Scratch programming language. Okay. So Scratch, it is a programming language, and with the help of this programming language we can do animations, games and stories and much more using this Scratch programming language. And our goal is we are going to use this Scratch programming language to create games. Okay, that is what our purpose, our intention. So starting Scratch app, how we can start a Scratch app? First step is to use a Scratch app. First of all, you have to install it. Okay, the first step is you should install Scratch app in your computer. So in pre-learning video, ma'am introduced you how to use Scratch application online. So with the help of web browser, Scratch mit.edu, see here. So this is actually the environment online. So without install any software, you can go to scratch.mit.edu website and you can create any gaming projects using online mode. Okay, so this is the Scratch online mode, and see here ma'am installed the Scratch programming in my computer. Just a second. See this button. Can you see this button on my screen? The kitten. Scratch 2. Cat symbol. Can you see this cat symbol? So this is the symbol for Scratch 2 application. So if you installed Scratch in your system, you can find this icon on the desktop. Either you can click on this, or if you tile in start menu, you can click on it, or using start button. If you click on start button under app list, if you installed, then definitely you will get a Scratch. See here, I'm having Scratch here. So if you double click on it, the Scratch environment will be open. After clicking on it, the environment will be looking like this. Now I'm introducing you the various components present in this Scratch environment. Okay, so these are the components of Scratch window. See, this area is called as stage. The first thing you should know in Scratch is sprite. So sprite is object. So whatever the object you want to use in your gaming project, that object is called as sprite. So cat is one object and this is called as sprite. And next is stage. So what are all the objects you want to require for your project? Everything should be placed in this area and this area is called as stage. We will place all the sprites on the stage. Okay, now we will perform some actions. Okay, so we will write some set of actions for this sprite. So how we will write actions? Using this blocks. So blocks, there are 10 different colored blocks are available. So whatever action you want, for example, you want to move this sprite, you have to use the commands under motion. Similarly, we are having some events, control. So 10 different blocks are there. Whatever you want, you can use. And if you click on each and every block, you will get set of commands under each category. And you should write coding or program inside this script area. So this is script area. In this area, you have to write program. So program is nothing but set of instructions. So based on that instruction, this sprite will be moved or it will perform some action on the stage. So to run a project, you should click on green flag. To stop the running project, you should click on this stop button. So these are all the various components available in Scratch window. For your understanding, I have also given you the notes for all the components. Okay. Hope now you understand what is program, what is programming language, and what are the various components present in Scratch window and its explanation. Next session, we will discuss more on how to add new sprites to your environment and how to work with blocks, various blocks and its commands. Okay, children? Bye.